Hey folks, Danielle here. I've got some really exciting news to share with you. We have officially reached 50,000 YouTube subscribers. I can't believe it. It feels like just yesterday we started this channel. And boy, have we come a long way since. We've introduced all kinds of new gadgets, food, and health products, making sure we unbox them and put them to the test to show you exactly what you're getting. And we enlisted our buddy and former Navy SEAL, Cade Courtley. He's taught us so many amazing things, from basic tips and tricks to surviving a nationwide grid-down disaster. He even helped us with a whole series about how to survive a crisis if you live in an apartment. We also showed you how to grow your very own victory garden and harvest fresh fruits and veggies year after year. Speaking of which, we actually found a way to get your kids to eat their veggies. You're welcome, parents. Now, to thank you for your support throughout our YouTube journey, we want to give away something big. So, one lucky winner will be taking home one of our best sellers, the 3-month survival food kit. And let me tell you, this kit is bigger and better than ever, with 8 new exclusive recipes that are absolutely delicious. We've picked at random one lucky winner, so be sure to check the comments to see if you're a winner. Good luck, and thank you to all our 50,000 YouTube subscribers.